Welcome to part 2 of my San Diego TwitchCon vlog. Hopefully you guys enjoyed part 1. If you haven't seen part 1, definitely click the little link above, the little tab thing. Click on that to watch the first part. But if you have, definitely sit back, relax, and enjoy the second part. Don't forget to also subscribe, comment, and like, and let's get into it. Oh no, she forgot her vlog camera. We'll block that out. We are going off and getting some coffee. I'm excited for the day. This is the fit. Let's see if I can show off the fit. Got this shirt, got my TwitchCon bag, got jeans, shoes, and this heart belt. All right, we have made it to the coffee place. Oh, wait, is it this one? Mutual Friends? Oh, we have made it to the coffee shop. Dark Horse. Let's go.
Are you gonna order for Lotus?
Oh yeah, what does she want?
Iced tea. There we go. Okay, so this is the coffee. Vanilla, what do you call it? Vanilla almond milk latte. For six. Strong. Coffee is strong. It's nice. How's yours?
It's okay. It's a little too sweet for me.
Too sweet? What kind was it?
Just a matcha latte.
Matcha latte. That's cool. And then Daisy's over here. She didn't get her coffee yet.
I got a vanilla iced latte with oat milk, and then Lotus got a berry iced tea.
Berry ice cream?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
What options do they have?
They have like all the tea options.
Oh, so like any tea flavor?
Yeah.
Oh.
Man, this is strong. But we stand. We love. Oh, I gotta take like a nice like IG pic, you know? I like the coffee.
Yeah, I know. Is yours?
Oh, yeah. Oh, mine's like a
it's different.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Wow, that's so cool. They have like different designs on them. Mine's like a little vampire. It's a vampire. It's a mummy. Oh, that's so cool. So much drink, so much coffee. We love to see it. So much liquids. Hydration.
What is the only hydration? Wait, is that what?
I feel like this one's more hydration.
Yeah.
This one's gonna make you want to pee.
Alright, so we are going to... Oh yeah, you know, look at that. Look at cute. So we are now going to the convention center so everybody else can get their tags. I already have mine, so I'm gonna go there. So official, you know, already. And we're waiting for the Lyft driver. But yes, this is everybody. Lotus, so cute. Daisy over here with her bags of stuff. But yes, I'm excited. I am ready. And yeah, my hair is just like looking so good lately. Like, what the heck? Oh man, bless you. But yes, this is the fit for the day, and then we're gonna go shopping afterwards too. I really don't need anything else, to be honest. I have like so much stuff. But yes, I'm ready. We are going on the way.
Yeah. I guess we just look
Yes, we
so
do.
cute together. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, literally, we're gonna be on like this like
We're
gaming.
famous?
We're
Okay.
famous. We're big out here, yo. We're big. But yeah, we're literally gonna be like on this like company kind of thing, and it's crazy because we already famous out here. Okay. But yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. So definitely need to post the. What's it gonna be? A social media post? Yeah, we're gonna need to post the social media link down below. We're gonna be the face of this. It's gonna be amazing.
yeah.
Yeah, so basically here you spin to win. You join the Discord, you get the spin. So I spun and got some candy, but then Daisy spun and she got a gift card, bro. What the heck is it? What is it? But hey, it's my favorite kind of candy, so like, it's okay. It's alright. We love to see it. But then afterwards, we started walking to the convention center so that everyone can get their name badges. But then, like, there wasn't really an exit where we could leave, and we kind of just got into the convention on Friday. All right, so we're at the convention. Oh man, this is awesome. Oh, there's people literally everywhere. Oh man, it's crazy. Oh wow, it's a pog sign. Oh, pog. Yeah. All right, so we're at the convention on Friday, but we're supposed to go on Saturday. But you know what? We still get in. We still get to see stuff.
It's because the security like really likes us, you know.
They thought we was pretty cool. Oh man, yeah, it's pretty cool though. But also, man, I forgot my business cards. But like, you know, as long as we got the handles, pen and paper, that'll work out still. I'm so sad. I'm so sad. Like, what is this? Oh man, but literally there's so many people here. Oh man, it is packed. Oh my gosh, this convention center, there's so much stuff everywhere. Oh, they stopped. Oh man. Yes, definitely don't get lost. It's all of us on the escalator. We're going to something, I don't know what it is, but we're going some, I don't even know what's up here. I think we want to do like some kind of like creative workshop or something like that. I don't know. We'll have to see. This is some great lighting though. Wait, hold on. Bruh, there's cat. Oh my god. So literally, we come upstairs, bro, and I literally meet Cat Liente. Go to right here, insert, and then also meet Hemi right here, and then also Dre as well. Oh, so many crazy streamers already, bro. I was literally shaking when I met Dre though, because I literally been watching him for like 2 years. 2 years. So it was so like crazy actually to see him like in person. Like I'm still shaking. But there is one streamer that I really want to see, and I don't even know if I can even go up to him because I know I'm just gonna have like a panic attack probably. Oh Lord, this is like too much for me. I can barely even breathe in this thing. But yeah, I was kind of shaking. Hopefully I can like compose myself, but we shall see. Well, this is the partner lounge for next year. You know, we get to get into there. But yeah, they have like a little lounge area. So nice. And we got the queens right there. Yeah, but for next year. All right, we have the offline TV crew. There's Jade, and then Sid was over there. Oh, there's Sid taking a picture. Oh, bro, they're everywhere. Look at Kathy in line. Oh man, there's yes. Stay near the partner lounge. You get to see the pretty cool streamers. Okay. So we walk around, bro, and we see D Glitch, bro. D Glitch. Oh no. And also Blue. I need you. Oh, the me side? Oh, I'm famous, bro. Hold on. Wait. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm famous, bro. Oh man.
What? How long are you guys staying here? Oh wait, I thought you guys were only coming Saturday.
What did you mean? He over here says. Oh Lord. Keep it in the DL, bro. Oh man. No. So yeah, we're about to get outed by Glitch and, you know, have the Twitch police come and grab us. But after we saw Glitch, we just started walking around and seeing more of the convention, and Jesus, there was literally so much to do, so many companies to speak with, a lot of like people playing games and hanging out, and that food over there was like really expensive. So we're like, yeah, no, we're not gonna do that. So we thought that we go to the bathroom first, and then afterwards just take a look at other stuff and then leave and get food. But yeah, I literally saw like so many more streamers, bro. I don't even know like what count they were on. I literally saw like, oh man, like offline TV. I saw Lee, like Shorty Lee, saw him. I literally, he was like walking and I was like, bro. I was like, is that him? I was like, Lee. He got kind of startled. I felt kind of bad. But like, oh man, I got to meet Lee. Like, oh, I'm like, and I just need to see Jules, Ninjayla, and Lulu Lovely, and then I'm good. I'm good. That's all I want. Like, just to see those three. But yeah, it's been so amazing so far, and we're gonna go get some food and just like chill. Oh man, but yeah, I'm obsessed. And now we're out of the convention center waiting for our lift to take us over to get some food. I was like literally so hungry. Like I didn't eat like all day. So we thought that we would try out Little Italy, the food hall, and they had so many restaurants, so much great food, but I had to get this. I got this place called Wicked Maine Lobster fries, trying it out. It was expensive, but you know, we in Cali, we gotta spend that money. So yeah, gotta show the food, see how it is. All right, y'all, this is a lobster fries. Jesus, like, look at that. Like, bruh. Oh my God. I cannot wait to eat this.
I got cashew chicken and bulgogi.
Oh, and bulgogi. Okay. That looks so good. And here's Daisy's food. Oh, she just ripped it off. Okay, that looks good.
Fish and lamb. Fish and lamb.
Okay, wow. Unique. We love it. Wait, the what?
From the sea and from the land.
The sea and from the land.
I got the
Okay. Got a little burger. Nice. We love it. Nice. Yes. Got some gelato.
What up? Going? Yeah. All right. So I probably said this like a million times already, but like I said, her phone dookie. Look at my. I'm gonna show you an example now. Hey, yo, turn the camera around. Okay. Okay. This is your typical iPhone quality right there. I just got it. And then look at mine. Look at the
Wow.
crispy freaking crispy chicken nugget upgrade. Please don't know for upgrade. Donation in the description. Wait, yo, donation in the description for starting it.
Yeah, my phone quality wasn't that good either, so we just had Lotus take all our pictures for us. Then afterwards, we went out for some drinks. All right, we're going to this Latin X, what is it, like a bar meetup kind of thing? Latin. Oh, okay. Nice. We got our IDs checked. We ready to go.
Yo.
Ready?
Go.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, we're
Oh, this
sneaking in.
thing. Okay. We're sneaking in. Okay. Yeah.
Prohibition Lounge right now.
And then there's a little.
Prohibition Lounge. That's right.
Oh, wait, the skeletons? Oh man, that's Halloween theme. Looks like.
How many? 7 p.m.
Okay, nice. Oh man. Going down the stairs.
Oh, it's oh my God.
Oh my, are you ready? Yeah, don't trip. Oh, that looks so good. It's my drink. Oh. You could barely even see me, but this is my drink. Really good. Really so good. Wow, all the drinks. Ooh. Oh, yeah, so cold. They look so good though. Okay, it's my third drink of the night. They put some kind of egg white in here. Where I'm gonna be out after this. It's so Oh yes. Oh Jesus. Oh man. I'm gonna be out.
And I feel like I'm saving a lot of money. And I'm like so happy to save
After
money.
the bar, you know, too many drinks. Save money. Yep, we're a little drunk, you know, it's great. But yeah, about to head back, have a great night. I'm really about to fall over, to be honest. Yeah, so I realized like 3 drinks is definitely my limit. But I was so excited to be able to have like half a day, like unintentional half a day in TwitchCon. But yeah, it was so great to meet so many amazing streamers that I've always been watching and supporting for like the past couple of years. And all that food was so good, like that lobster, I'm still dreaming about it, to be honest. But the next day, the next vlog, the last part is literally our full day in TwitchCon, and there was literally so many things that we did. So don't forget to like, comment, definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you on the next one.